Welcome to the Scholars Learning classes. In this video, we will be studying about the issue of debentures at premium. So, what do you mean by premium is the face value of debenture is rupees 100, and let's suppose the company is issuing at issue price is rupees 110. So, in that case, rupees 10 is the premium amount, right? So, if premium should not be treated as a revenue profit as it is not arising from the normal course of business operation. So basically premium is the capital profit to the organization, and this share premium is now have been changed and is written as securities premium as told you earlier. So this debenture premium is also included in the securities premium. So again the same account will be made of securities premium, and it is shown on the equity and liability sides of the balance sheet under the head reserves and surplus. So let's do this question that Narain Limited invited application for issuing 7,500 12% debentures of 100 each at a premium of rupees 35 per debenture. The full amount was payable on application, means there is no allotment, first call, second call, all the money has been called on application. Generally, if there is premium, always the premium is included in the allotment. If there is nothing given in the question, you will take it on the allotment. But if it is mentioned that the premium has come up with the application, first call, second call or allotment, in that case you have to take specifically at that particular journal entry. The full amount was payable on application. Application were received for 10,000 debentures. Application of 2,500 debentures were rejected and the application money was refunded. Debentures were allotted to the remaining applicants. First of all, the company has issued the face value for debenture is 100, whereas issue value is 135, as they have issued at a premium of rupees 35 per debenture. So first in application there is the amount that is received first. So bank account debit to 12% debenture application account. So the narration here would be the what narration you will give? The money received on application, that is how much have been applied. 10,000 people, 10,000 applications were received with what price? 1,35,000. So 13,50,000. Again 13,50,000. Now the second entry I am passing here, you will make it in vertical. Again and again I am saying I don't have space, so I am making two columns here. So this is what vertically it's going on, so make vertically. The next entry will pass is the due entry, 12% debenture application and allotment account. So whenever all the money is called on application, so you write it as application and allotment account, right? So application and allotment account debit to 12% debenture accounts to securities premium right, then to bank account the amount that has been refunded, right? Now on application, what was the value that came? 10,000 debenture applicants gave 135 rupees, right? Now 13,50,000 bank, how much have been rejected? 2500 into 135. This is the applicant amount what they paid, so 3,37,500. Now how many have been allotted? 7,500 at 100 rupees, that is 7,50,000. Now securities premium again of 7,500 debenture holders into 35 rupees, 2,62,500. So you'll add this value, you will get 13,50,000 value only, which is here receipt, right? So this is how you take the securities premium. I hope you like our video. Please download the Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.